Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show how to solve there was a login connection issue on GCash. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold GCash. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or airplane mode just few seconds. Check internet connection on your phone and go back home screen. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search GCash. Update GCash app if available Play Store or App Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.